Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, like my video and share my video. Hello friends, today I am going to explain in this video about depreciation. In this video you will learn what is depreciation, what are the types of depreciation, how to calculate depreciation in straight line method, and how to enter depreciation transaction in Tally Prime. So regarding this you will learn. Okay friends, so come, let us we discuss. What is depreciation? You go for the notes. This is for your reference. What is depreciation? In an accounting terms, depreciation is defined as the reduction of recorded cost of a fixed assets in a systematic manner until the value of the asset becomes zero or negligible. It is a loss to the business. Increase in expenses and losses are debited. So depreciation should be debited. So depreciation is a expenses to the business. Okay. So next, types of depreciation. So there are four types of depreciation. First one, straight line method. Second one, declining balance method. Third one, sum of years digits method. Fourth one, unit of production method. So today I am going to explain straight line method. So remaining method I will explain in my next videos. Okay. So what is straight line method? So straight line method. To use the straight line method, the assets usual life typically in years and the salvage value, scrap value at the end of its life must be estimated. The salvage value is then subtracted from the original cost. The amount remaining, the depreciable cost, is the total amount of depreciation that must be expensed in equal amount over the assets estimated useful life. Okay. It is also known as original cost method and fixed installment. There are two other names only. This is the earliest and one of the widely used method of providing depreciation. This method is based on the assumption of equal usage of the assets over its entire useful life. It is also called fixed installment method because the amount of depreciation remains constant from year to year over the useful life of the assets. This method is also known as fixed percentage on original cost. In fact, depreciable cost is written out as depreciation from year to year. Okay friends, now you understand what is straight line method. Now we go for formula for the straight line method. See here, annual depreciation equal to cost of assets minus estimated scrap value divided by estimated useful life of an asset, that is in years. Okay, annual depreciation equal to cost of assets minus estimated scrap value divided by estimated useful life of an asset, that is in years. So here we will see the example. Mr. Rakesh purchased plant and machinery for rupees 5 lakh on April 1st and the installation charges are rupees 50,000 with an estimated scrap value of rupees 20,000 and estimated life of 5 years. The annual depreciation charge on 31st March should be found as in next clip. So you will get the solution for this example in the next clip. See, cost of assets, how much? 5 lakh plus installation charges 50,000. So total cost of asset is 5,50,000. So installation charges we can't show with plant and machinery in Tally Prime. So we will add to original cost price of the assets. So the total cost is 5,50,000. Estimated scrap value is rupees 20,000. Estimated useful year is 5 years. So as per the formula, 5,50,000 minus 20,000. So 5,50,000 is cost price of the asset, installation charges. So both 5,50,000 minus 20,000 equals 5,30,000. 5,30,000 divided by 5, that is equal to 1,06,000 is the depreciation. This is uniformity for the every 5 years. You need to pass 5 entries for 5 years. So 1,06,000 is the annual depreciation. Okay. So next we move to assignment for Tally Prime. See, this is the example. Bought plant and machinery rupees 10 lakh paying by Canara Bank check and installation charges is rupees 50,000. Estimated scrap value is rupees 40,000 and estimated useful life is 5 years. So this is the example. Okay. Calculation of depreciation. So first calculate depreciation as manually. Cost of assets is equal to cost price plus installation charges. That is 10 lakh plus 50,000. That is equal to 10 lakh 50,000. This is total value of the assets. Scrap value is 40,000. Scrap value is 40,000. See here. 40,000. Estimated years 5 years. Useful life is 5 years. So 10 lakh 50,000 minus 40,000, that is equal to 10 lakh 10,000 divided by 5 years. So annual depreciation is 2 lakh 2,000. So you have to pass the 5 entries for 5 years of same depreciation amount. So this is the formula for the straight line method depreciation. Okay. So you go to the Tally. I have already created one company. Create the necessary ledger accounts. Go to create, select ledger, create plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. Fixed assets. And next one, Canara Bank. Canara Bank. Under bank account. And create one more ledger for supporting transaction, Kiran Capital. Kiran Capital. Because bank balance will show negative balances. Because of that, I will create one more ledger, that is Kiran Capital under capital account. Under capital account. So next, depreciation. Depreciation, indirect expenses. Plant and machinery already created. Scrap value. SCRAP. Scrap value, current asset. In Tally, what is this scrap value? So in manually, when calculating depreciation in manually, we deduct scrap value there itself. But here we can't do like that. That's why we need to pass one more adjustment entry. That's why I am going to create the scrap value ledger under current asset. It is a asset. They are only estimated. It's not a expenses. It is the balance, estimated balance of the asset. That's why I am taking in current asset groups. Okay. Okay. So come to the first journal entry. Purchase of plant and machinery. So before making purchase of plant and machinery entry, we need to pass one entry, that is receipt entry, capital introduced by proprietor. I have already told that bank account will show negative balances. Because of that, I am going to enter this receipt entry. Kiran capital 15 lakh, Canara Bank. Okay, you people ignore this. Now come to the payment voucher. Purchase of fixed. Don't enter in purchase voucher. Okay. Suppose GST is applicable for business, then you have to enter in purchase voucher. Plant and machinery account. Plant and machinery account 10,50,000 including installation charges. So Canara Bank. Okay friends. Friends, here I have to pass 5 years 5 entry for depreciation. So depreciation amount is 2,02,000 as per our calculation. Friends, here I can't show 5-year accounts. Okay. So that's why here I am going to enter month by month. But you people imagine that it is year or annual. Okay. Okay. So now go to the journal voucher. Press F2 for changing the date. 1st May. So I will start from 1st May. Depreciation account. Depreciation 2,02,000. Plant and machinery. Plant and machinery. So 1 year is over. Second year I am changing the date 1/6. Depreciation 2,02,000. Plant and machinery. Second year is over. Next, third year. 1/7. Depreciation 2,02,000. Plant and machinery. May, June, July. Third year is over. Now start fourth year. Depreciation 2,02,000. Plant and machinery. So last year 19. Depreciation 2,02,000. Okay friends. So 5-year entry is over. But here I am showing in month wise. You don't get confusion. You just understand it is a year. And check the plant and machinery report. Display more reports. Accounts book, ledger, plant and machinery. Alt F2 change the period 1419. See here 10,50,000 machinery value. After deducting depreciation, 5-year depreciation, that is 10,10,000. The estimated scrap value, that is 40,000. So that 40,000 is showing here. So they are estimated it is a scrap value. So till return of it is a asset. So you remove this. Okay. Go to journal voucher. Scrap value. So you make it 0 value to plant and machinery. Select scrap value 40,000. Plant and machinery. Plant and machinery 40,000. So now machinery value is showing 0. Okay, so this scrap value is, so when the scrap person will come and sell it. Okay, so check the plant and machinery ledger report. Display accounts book, ledger, plant and machinery. Plant and machinery, change the period 1st April. See friends, now closing balance is nil. So we are deducted scrap value from the asset value. See here, now it is close. Okay friends, you got it? So in this way, we have to enter straight line method depreciation entries. Okay friends? Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my video.